Greetings, Earthman, earthmansoil.com. God bless you. And real quick video here. I planted the seeds, the sweet basil seeds that germinated in the paper towels, and I put them in the soil. Okay, so I know it's corny. I don't have any popsicle sticks. I'm gonna get some, but I had them. What I did is I marked them by putting a nail in the corner of the ones that were germinated in the paper towel, and the ones that don't have nails are the ones that were started in the soil. Now I did put the rest of the seeds, I sealed those up from the sweet basil, and I put those in a room temperature place. Just I'm sure I'm going to have some more germination, and I might do a video on it, if more germination comes from the paper towel. But so I took them, and to the best of my ability, I took each seed, I put one in each one of these tray holders, and we're gonna see how they pop, if they all pop or not. So I thought that'd be an interesting little video for you guys, and we'll continue to monitor all the different seeds as they germinate, just to see what the germination rate overall is using soil versus paper towel, but most importantly using biostimulants to be a catalyst and allowing the seeds to germinate a little bit better. So let me end this video. I'll keep you up to date on this particular experiment in the near future. May God bless you.